If you've made a payment to Outlook and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check your payment confirmation. Review your payment confirmation email or transaction history to verify the details of the payment, including the date, amount, and the service or product purchased. Step 2. Visit the Outlook support page. Go to the official Outlook support website. Look for the section related to billing and subscriptions, where you can find information on refunds and payment issues. Step 3. Sign into your account. Log into your Outlook account using your credentials. This will allow you to access your account settings and transaction history, which may be needed for the refund process. Step 4. Locate the refund request option. Within your account settings, navigate to the billing section. Look for an option to request a refund or report an issue with no payment. Follow the prompts provided. Step 5. Submit your refund request. Fill out the refund request form with the necessary details, including your payment information and the reason for the refund. Submit the form and keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your request. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully request a refund from Outlook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for further assistance.